I remember like in 2020, somebody said I should go live on Facebook. And the idea of going live on Facebook terrified me. I was like, there is no way you would ever see me go live. And then I said, well, it took a while for that to settle in for me. I was like, there's no way I'm going to do this. This is too mortifying. It's too embarrassing. And I remember creating a fake Facebook page and just going live and practicing on my phone. And after a while, I got a little bit more comfortable. And the same thing, like somebody else mentioned, that the first 50 videos you're going to make are going to be awful. And it's true. I have videos from my podcast, my very first episode versus my 60th episode. Very different. I kept failing forward. I made a lot of mistakes. I looked awful. The first couple of videos I made, I was just like frozen solid trying to talk into this camera. And so you get better by doing it. You get better by practicing, but accept the fact that you're not going to be good at first. Accept the fact that you're not going to hit it out of the park at first. It's like anybody. If you're going to be a baseball player, you're not going to just, the first day you decide you're going to be a baseball player, you're not going to be signed into a professional league or a soccer football player or soccer player, whatever. You're not going to, you have to practice. You have to keep practicing so much that you start building your own confidence. And like you said, not really caring about the shots you don't make, not really caring about putting yourself out there on a post and not getting the reaction you want, or doing a podcast interview and making a fool of yourself and saying things that people make mistakes. It's okay. I remember I used to watch, because, I have a history of anxiety. It runs in my family. And this is why I specialize in anxiety-based disorders, because anxiety continues to still affect me. And me putting myself out there, even doing something like this, 5 short years ago would have been terrifying for me. But now I've done it so much that it's not that big of a deal. And so I used to watch people accepting awards. Like we have the Oscars or the Grammys or whatever, and they would go up there, and these are celebrities, and they're getting an award. And I remember seeing Jennifer Lawrence, who's an actress, and she was accepting an award, and I saw her just turning red. Her whole, like she was wearing a strapless dress, and her whole neck and chest was getting red, but she continued to speak, and she acknowledged that she was nervous. And I was like, wow, she doesn't, like, I'm rooting for her. I see her getting nervous. I see that redness coming up, and I'm rooting for her, and I want her to win. And I know that for the majority of people watching you doing whatever you're doing, whether it's speaking on video or speaking on stage, they want you to win. And so you have to believe that, even though your brain is telling you everybody's laughing at you, everybody's making fun of you, don't believe those lies. Just believe that most people want you to win, just like you want somebody else to win on stage when they're struggling, or somebody else that's putting themselves out there, and they're doing their best initially, but you know that if they keep at it, they're going to only get better.